Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the ZkSync era airdrop, and 90% the snapshot would be done for ZkSync era today. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. And please note that none of this is the financial advice. Do your own research before investing into any cryptocurrency. Now I may be wrong over here, but there are some hints that are suggesting that the snapshot would be done today, and I will show you exactly how you have to go ahead and prepare yourself for the snapshot. Now on the official tweet of ZkSync, we haven't seen an official announcement yet with regards to maybe Airdrop Checker or maybe the snapshot date or something. But I will exactly go ahead and show you a few of the recent tweets that are suggesting that the snapshot for ZkSync era would be taken today. Now on CoinMarketCap, it's showing like to be declared because the token generation event is not done yet, and hopefully we see that the ZkSync era does the airdrop as soon as possible. Because if we check the overall market over here, as you can see, Bitcoin is already above 70,000. So I think this week would be the Bitcoin closing above uh, the previous all-time high, which was close to 69,000. And what will happen is like once Bitcoin settles down above 70k permanently, then we can see the altcoin season starting. So hopefully like once Bitcoin goes like around 73 74,000, then we will see like Ethereum breaking its all-time high, which was close to $4,800. Hopefully it goes like $5,000 in coming few weeks, and then we can see all the altcoins pumping like crazy. Now I'm sure that the altcoin season 2.0 would be coming soon, and you have to be better prepared for it because I have already filled my bags of altcoin, and hopefully they pump like 20, 30, 50, 100x in the future. So if you have bought altcoins, hopefully you also become rich and everyone becomes rich on the crypto space. Now if we go to ZK Stars, so ZK Stars, if you don't know, they are this NFT collections over here, and they would be having this airdrop soon for themselves. So they have this NFT collection which is called a Stars NFT collection. Now in the past, I have minted like more than 20 plus of this NFT, to be honest, and the price of this is like 0.0001 ETH. Now 2 or 3 months back, when I had minted these NFTs, there was no airdrop or something of that sort, but I personally feel that they should do a decent airdrop. The thing is like if you want to go ahead and mint this NFT, I mean I am not sure of this because I had minted long back, but today if you want to go ahead and mint this NFT, I'm not sure whether it's a good time to actually go ahead and mint this, because I would rather prefer to have like some blue chip NFT collections rather than this ZK Stars NFT collections, which has a no real utility as of now. And to be honest, I have purchased like more than 50 plus blue chip NFT collections. So I have a good stock of NFT collections. Like there is Moody Mites is there, then I have ZK Pengs, then I have few U collections, then ZK Veggies, and lot of them, to be honest. And the thing with NFTs is like basically if you appreciate the art, then only you go ahead and uh, buy NFTs. If not, then it's perfectly fine. I think you should be better off holding coins and tokens in that case. Now if you go to the tweet again, as you can see, the snapshot they are mentioning is today like 31st March. And if you go more down over here, they have mentioned something called as check this out, domain is registered and very soon. So community.zkSync.io. Now I tried opening this link and it's giving me a 404 not found error, because I think then this website should be under construction, and hopefully we can see an airdrop checker on this website. So what you can do is basically you can go ahead and bookmark this tab for now, and as soon as like if I come up with any news, I will keep you updated. So maybe hopefully we will see the airdrop checker over here soon, and hopefully we all get like 5 figures of ZkSync era airdrop and make us all rich, because because to be honest, there are some people who have been farming for like 3 or 4 years, and ZkSync era should give back to the community because they deserve it, to be honestly. And even I have been farming from long, so if I get a decent airdrop, I would be very happy, to be honest. And yeah, that's it. And the next tweet I've already mentioned in my past video is like from Gitcoin Passport. Now they have mentioned that Sibils and bots be aware April is about to be huge. And similarly, I have seen such similar post from other NFT collections Moody Mites was there, and there are a few other NFT collections who have also tweeted the same. And I think these big players know what is going to come for ZkSync era airdrop, hopefully, because ZkSync era hasn't announced it yet officially, but I think these big players should know what's going inside. Maybe they have someone inside who is working and passing them on the information. Now, in order to be ready for the ZkSync era airdrop, you can go back to your Gitcoin passport again, and please don't forget to refresh your stamps. Now, if you have a humanity score of 20 plus, it's great, and I think this should be one of the main criteria for the ZkSync era airdrop, because then it will help you pass all the Sibyl test. Now, I've seen a lot of tweets mentioning that Gitcoin passport of 20 plus would be important. So once you have it, also you go to guild.xyz and ZkSync era and make sure you have these roles. If not, then simply disconnect your wallet, reconnect it, and refresh all your roles over here. So these are pretty important, because as you can see, for the level 2 verified roles, which is done by around 121k people, so they have a Gitcoin passport of 20 plus. Now if ZkSync era really decides to actually go ahead and filter it to only a small uh, amount of people, then I think having a Gitcoin passport score of 20 plus is very very important. Because the thing is like, there are few bots or maybe few people who are farming with multiple wallets. Now, to be honest, this is not wrong, but it's not fair for those who are the actual users of the ZkSync era community, or any other community for that matter. But yeah, having a Gitcoin passport score of 20 plus should be important, although it's not guaranteed, because everything is left up to the team. They would be deciding what would be the criteria. So hopefully we see a snapshot done today, and we'll wait for the official announcement from ZkSync era that the snapshot is done and you are eligible for the ZkSync airdrop. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.